because intense sounds can cause hearing loss, deafness, sleep, behavioral, learning and irritability disorders. Specialist IMSS Adriana Elizondo Ávalos recommended reducing noise exposure to avoid deafness. He indicated that the house, work, shops and open spaces are places where the noise can occur, that is to say, a series of unpleasant sounds and in high decibel volumes that can affect those who are constantly exposed to them, provoking from buzzing passengers, to loss partial or total auditory. The physician attached to the Family Medicine Unit UMF number 91 of the Mexican Institute of Social Security IMSS in Jalisco, that it is important that the population in general detect and reduce sources of undesirable sounds, in order to avoid damages to health. He explained that according to the official Mexican standard, sound in a public road of maximum 55 decibels and, in restricted places, such as libraries and hospitals, one of 30 decibels is considered permissible. If you take into account that a normal talk is about 60 decibels, it means that many times traffic, social events and the use of certain tools exceed the measure, he said. Today there is a lot of vehicular load, more horn is used, it is the most common in the city. Now, if we move to industrial areas, if the train passes near the house or if there is a party nearby, the sounds are intense and can cause hearing loss, deafness, sleep disorders and effects on behavior. For whom exposure to noise is part of the work, Elizondo Ávalos considered it essential to use the appropriate protection equipment, because sometimes, for convenience, people refuse to put on shells or earplugs, although they may have contact with a source of noise for many hours.